and welcome. I am Anika, bringing you the top headlines from the Travel World Online Newsroom, India's only 24x7 digital travel TV and radio channel. First, the Services Export Promotion Council hosts a crucial consultative meet driving major policy reforms to boost India's global tourism export competitiveness. In New Delhi, the 4th Meghalaya Pineapple Festival kicks off at Dili Haat, powerfully strengthening agri-tourism and global market connectivity. Carnival Cruise Line marks a major milestone, beginning construction on its next-generation mega ship, the Carnival Destiny. IndiGo significantly expands its domestic footprint, announcing direct flights between Guwahati and Deoghar starting August 4th. And Sharaf Travel India signs a strategic alliance with Aqua Expeditions to bring elite luxury expedition cruising to affluent Indian travelers. Now, the news in detail. The Services Export Promotion Council, or SEPC, convened a high-level consultative meeting in New Delhi with key travel trade stakeholders to advocate for vital policy reforms. Chaired by Director General Abhay Sinha and attended by industry leaders like Rajiv Kohli and Jyoti Mayal, the discussion focused on critical tax reforms. SEPC highlighted its recommendation to compensate exporters for a 12% embedded tax burden, aiming to significantly enhance Brand India's competitiveness in the global travel marketplace. Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma officially inaugurated the 4th Meghalaya Pineapple Festival at Dili Haat, New Delhi. The 3-day event serves as a strategic platform integrating agriculture, culture and tourism, while linking local farmers with global hospitality buyers. Key MOUs were signed with Flipkart and National E-Market Services to expand digital trade, further accelerating the state's successful international agri-tourism footprint. Carnival Cruise Line has officially commenced construction on the Carnival Destiny, the first vessel in its next-generation Ace-class fleet, at the Fincantieri shipyard in Italy. Scheduled to enter service in the summer of 2029, the megaship revives a historic legacy with an innovative, outward-facing design. Featuring extensive glass architecture and over 70% entirely new onboard concepts, the project signals robust long-term confidence in the global cruise holiday market. Strengthening regional connectivity and boosting religious tourism, IndiGo has announced direct flights between Guwahati and Deoghar, effective August 4, 2026. Operating twice a week on Tuesdays and Fridays, this new route will seamlessly link Northeast India with the revered Baba Baidyanath Dham pilgrimage destination. The service offers enhanced convenience for both leisure and business travelers, reinforcing IndiGo's strategy of connecting emerging domestic regional hubs. Finally, Sharaf Travel India has announced a strategic partnership with globally acclaimed luxury operator Aqua Expeditions to tap into India's booming outbound experiential travel segment. The collaboration will offer affluent Indian travelers exclusive access to intimate, boutique yacht expeditions across remote regions like the Galapagos Islands, Amazon, and the Mekong River. The move reflects a major shift among Indian holidaymakers towards high-end, destination-focused luxury cruising. That is all for now. Stay tuned for the latest global travel, aviation, and hospitality updates. Keep watching Travel World Online, India's only 24x7 digital travel TV and radio. Signing off, I am Anika. Jai Hind.
You are watching Travel World Online.